Hi, Pat here. I have a realistic reel-to-reel tape deck. It is model 14-700, but it's known as TR 3000. This deck was built by Teac. In fact, they make the exact same deck. It's a Teac X3. And I think they made these right around 1980. This one does turn on when I hit play. The capster motor ain't turning. Odds are there's a belt broken. So let's take apart, look at the inside. I got the covers off. And here's a piece of tape. Sticky things. And a little bit stuck to that molder right there. And more stuck to the flywheel there. So I have to take that apart, clean it up a little bit, and take a look at the back side. Not much to see from here, but Teac is all over this tape deck. And you can see just how nasty this stuff gets. Doesn't take much to clean up, but just a pain to deal with. I pulled this pulley off just so I get a couple drops of oil in there. But even the motor has Teac on it. I got the record playback board loose, and it'll let me get in here and start cleaning these pods and switches. And I'm going to start recapping it. I got the new caps in. Used Nichicon on all of it. And I was able in here get some deoxin in these. And there's a little tiny hole in there. I tried to spray some in there. And there's one pod down here. I got that one. Here's some of the caps I took out. This is a 220 microfarad cap. I don't know if you'll be able to read that. It's measuring at 55 with the ESR 27. That's pretty bad. And let's see what this one is. It's a 47 microfarad cap. Look, it's measuring at 26. The ESR 26. All these are quite bad. What was this one? This one is 100 microfarads. And it's measuring out at 26. The ESR 46. And this one is a 10 microfarad. It's measuring out at 3.9. The ESR of 233 ohms. These are quite bad. I got the front cover back on, and I'm doing a little recording right now. Right now I got the source button pushed in. And switch over to tape. So it's recording and sounding good. I got a store-bought tape in here right now, and it's sounding quite nice. This little tape deck came out real nice. Thanks for watching the video.